Claire and this is Letitia. So we're going to be chatting to you today about a few services that we have in salon, and we are going to start with the BT Micro just as a beautiful little pick-me-up in between facials that you are having in clinic. They're amazing, they are super cost effective, and what we can do is deep clean with this on a little clean setting, and we have like an ultra setting, and we also have a nutrition setting as well. So we can actually infuse some of our iron actives or different serums, and then we also have a lift setting with this, which is just amazing, just for that beautiful pick-me-up. They are actually amazing to have done pre-makeup or pre-events as well. So that is probably one of my little go-tos at the moment for a few clients.
I've loved using these in amongst the treatments as well, not just the BT Micro. So in the BT Micro facial, we incorporate this in every little aspect and every way that we can use it. My favourite is the cleansing and even like superficial extractions. Because it's vibrating and it's just bringing all that congestion up to the surface and out. So I love how clean it can get your skin.
You can actually see the congestion coming up to the surface and really clarifying out. So it has been amazing for clients who are time poor, like I said, especially at this time of year, being a little bit more you know, a little bit more cost effective.
Because we're spending all this money on everyone else and spoiling everyone else. So at least this is a really nice way to come in and treat you and your skin as well through the season.
And then we have our dermaplaning. So a lot of people know dermaplaning is just like the little hair removal, like the fine little hairs that we have, like our peach fuzz, as some people call it.
What's going on?
So in clinic, we actually treat this as a facial on its own as well. So we do like a beautiful deep cleanse. We can exfoliate the skin in a milder way, because this does exfoliate the skin as well as removing that little peach hair. And then we can actually go in as well and nourish the skin and do a beautiful jelly mask. And then we can also apply the LED, which is really nice and soothing and really calming, and definitely prolongs the results that we are going to be doing with that treatment as well.
So I know that these are becoming quite popular to buy, you know, for the public. But the difference with having an in-clinic treatment is we're not just removing that peach fuzz, like we still get a little bit deeper and we get to actually remove that dead skin on the surface as well. Obviously we are trained, so we know how deep we can go. I feel like a lot of clients at home just aren't doing it correctly, and you do run the risk, you know,
of damaging the skin really.
Exactly. So like Claire said, it's obviously a much more nourishing treatment, not just removing that peach fuzz in clinic.
And like I said, we use the disposable
the blades
as well,
and they're sterile. So we obviously haven't got one on here today because we keep things sterile. But much nicer.
Much nicer to do it in clinic as a treatment than it would be at home.
And then we've got the beautiful LED device. So we've got the Dermalux Flex. Now these are absolutely amazing for pre-occasions, season, for your makeup. It's beautiful to help prep your skin. It brings out that really nice glow. Your skin is beautiful and plump. Also really nice and healing. Like if you have been out in the sun too much, which ideally we don't want you to be out in the sun too much, we want you to wear your sunscreen and being sun smart, but if you have been out in the sun too much, the near infrared setting really helps calm that inflammation in the skin and speeds up healing as well. So just amazing in general.
And like I said, we have a lot of clients as well that just don't really know what it looks like as well. So we, obviously it's like a little dome as we explain it, and we actually gently push that along to you, so then the light doesn't feel so invasive or suddenly intense. So we really just ease you into that little light as well, and obviously pop the little goggles on if you do wish to have them on too, because it is actually safe for the eye area too,
Yeah.
if you can.
I like having no goggles,
Yeah,
so I
you
like
do.
to treat the eye area. But it's not just for your face, it's body as well. So we can incorporate it into massage treatment as an add-on. The LEDs are we're able to add it on into any service before your makeup and everything as well. So yeah, beautiful. These are our favourite treatments at Yes Please.